Here we are. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Outside, looking at
shovel with one hand now.
all the snow. That's Kathleen's car, still covered. My car, recovered. That's the neighbor's area. They have not shoveled yet. There's Kathleen shoveling. It's me in the snow. Hey! It's very, very cold. It feels like 14 degrees outside.
Yeah, I can't feel my fingers right now.
Kathleen has lost feeling in her fingers.
Because I have no gloves on.
She's not wearing gloves. I'm not going to comment. This is looking down her road. There's another, that's an actual car right there. You can see the bottom part of it. If not, it just looks like a mound of snow.
No, it does.
We're going to walk down here a little ways. You're going to see a shovel. There's the cars across the street. Some of them are completely buried. We're looking at probably about 27 to 28 inches of snow right now. It's hard to really tell because so much snow has piled up from the shoveling and from a previous snowstorm that hadn't completely melted. People are just constantly shoveling, trying to keep the snow down to a minimal when you come out every time. We have now shoveled, this is our 5th time.